Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the most easy but most important topic of biostatistics, that is measure of central tendency. It is also called as statistical averages. First, it refers to summary of set of data, measure of center point and most characteristic value. So here three words are important, that is summary. Summary refers to the mean, then central point refers to the median, and most characteristic or most frequent value refers to mode. Okay. Then going further, it is also known as measure of center or central location. That is, if the central tendency is given, it gives you location. Central tendency gives you location, but if percentile is given, it is gives you position. So how to remember? P for percentile, P for position. In MCQ, if you ask what is gives you position, what gives you position, so it is percentile, and what gives you location, it is central tendency. Then next, principal measure of central tendency. So there are three measures of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode. In mean there is arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. In median, two types of data is given, that is odd number and even number. We can calculate both data, and then is mode. Then first is mean. Mean nothing but the sum of all values divided by the total number of value, means the average. In simple words, mean refers to average, sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Mean is denoted by x bar. Okay, let us try one example. In a departmental exam, the scores of PG out of 100 are given 50, 30, 70, 60, 40, 20, 40. So how you will calculate average or mean? Simply add all the values divided by number of values. You will get mean. Then next, mean. Mean can be washed out if the data is interval. If the data is in interval, we cannot calculate the mean. So remember this, interval scale we can't calculate mean. Then best measure of central tendency, it is MCQ. If they ask what is the best measure of central tendency, you will say that it is mean, and most affected by extreme value and outliers. So what are outliers? Outliers nothing but the value which not close to your given values. Simply 50, 30, 70, 60, 40, 20, 40. These are the numbers of the students. If we calculate mean is 44.3, but some students score 0 and some score 100, then it will gives you different average which is not resemblance with others. So 0 and 100 becomes outlier, means the value is not close to your other values. These are the outliers. Then types of mean, that is arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. Arithmetic, A for A, average of the given data. Then geometrical mean, it is used for growing data. G for G, growing data or extreme values, growing data or extreme values. And harmonic mean is for fractional data. Fractional data, harmonic mean. You can remember it. Then next is median. Median is nothing but middlemost value, means central value of the data is a median. So how will you calculate? First, observe the data. If data is given in odd number or even number, if it is in odd number, simply arrange the data in ascending order, and the middlemost value refers to your median. If the data is given in even number, same, arrange the value in ascending order, and then two middlemost value, add them divided by 2, you will get your median. That is, first observe the data, it is even or odd. So it is, if it is odd, then arrange it in ascending order, and middlemost value gives you median. If the data is odd, it is simple middlemost value. If it is even, add two middlemost value divided by 2, you will get the median. Then median is the most preferable value. You know that mean is, what is mean? See, mean is best measure of central tendency, but preferable, which one is preferable? Preferable is median. So remember this, most preferable is median. Then it is not affected by extreme values, but mean is affected by extreme values or outliers. So hence it is most preferable value and least affected by extreme values. Then what is mode? Mode is nothing but most commonly occurring value in a distribution or most frequent value, and mode can have more than one value. You heard about bimodal distribution. Bimodal, it is nothing but it has two modes, hence it is bimodal distribution. Okay, then for example, departmental level PG marks are 20, 30, 40, 40, 50, 60, 70. Arrange it in ascending order, then most frequent value is 40, then your mode will be 40. Then same second example, the data is given 50, 30, 70, 20, 40, 20, 40. Arrange it in ascending order, then here are two frequent values, that is 20 and 40. Then your data has two modes, so it is bimodal distribution. Okay, so how you will be calculate the mode of the bimodal distribution? By simple data, mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. How to remember median? Calculate the character of medians, that is 6 digit character, so it is bigger, so bigger is with 3 and smaller 2 is small then 3, so mean is smaller digit character, is goes with small, that is 2, and median is 6 digit character, it goes with bigger value, that is 3. So remember, 3 median minus 2 mean gives you mode in bimodal distribution. So it is the strongest measure of central tendency. So remember three things: most preferable is median, most accurate is mean, and most strongest measure is your mode, and least affected by extreme values. Okay, affected by extreme values mean, not affected is median, most preferable is median, and strongest measure is mode. Mode is not often used in statistics. Okay, thank you.